Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Pepe update today. So we have an inverse head and shoulders, and this inverse head and shoulder here, you have the left shoulder head going on, right shoulder, and you've broken above. You're coming down for the retest. So basically, is this retest going to be something that is successful or not? Because if it does become successful, you have a good opportunity to rise to the upside one more time. So the market is really uncertain right now. Okay, even I'm actually I don't have a direction, to be honest with you. I don't have a certainty that we're gonna go upside anytime soon with altcoins. Long term, yes, I'm positive, but in the meanwhile, maybe midterm, in the next 1 or 2 months, it's a little bit of a gray area. There is no any certain. You just cannot really see through what's going on. So right now we have this inverse head and shoulders, as I said before, of course. Now the EMAs, and we have the EMAs that is coming up, and we're about to lose the 4-hour EMA because we previously had come above the EMAs. We had a bull cross, and now you're coming below the EMA. So we saw maybe one little bit of a fake out where you try to retest it, but you still have 2 hours and 20 minutes, 19 minutes to close this candle. So if anyhow in the next 2 hours you try to come back up again and close at least above 8,391 here, then probably that retest is going to be a successful one, and then from here Pepe might start to push to the upside one more time. But I think if Pepe does end up coming down to 5862, that's going to be a bad sign for things to move forward. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.